Now, when I see this right here, the Delta Home Hand Soap Watermelon and Basil, honey, it gives me fancy. Okay, let's take a sniff and see how this smells. Ooh, this smells really good. Ooh, this smells good. Very, very good. The watermelon and basil smell just like watermelon. Chef kiss. Absolutely amazing. Peace, family. So today we are at the Dollar Tree on 49th Street, okay? They have some amazing items, okay? I think you want to see this. Check this out. Now, let me tell you something about these. I'm so shocked that Dollar Tree carry these. Normally, I would get this from the health store, like a place in Jersey City I would go to that sell herbs and stuff, right? And the owner there, she had put me up on these. Now, these are ginger chews, but they also have like the tea, the little granules that you can make tea out of. And when I tell you, that is so good, especially if like you have a cold or anything like that. I gave this to my children, not the chews, but the actual granules, where as though you make the tea. Very, very good and effective. Vegan. I'm so shocked Dollar Tree is selling this stuff. $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. I was trying to see how many things come in here, but this is really good. I cannot believe this. Dollar Tree is now selling late July jalapeno lime chips. Come on now. Chow. Now, these were some of the chips that I would go to when I was plant-based, okay? Because these are plant-based. Oh my goodness. I can't believe they selling these. Now, I believe these are $1.25. But not only do they have the jalapeno, they also have the nacho ones. Now, the nachos one is the cheese one. I wasn't eating these. But later on, once I started incorporating meat back into me eating it, okay, then I started getting these. Honey, if you don't do anything, I want you to go get you a bag of these from Dollar Tree. Honey, you would thank me. These taste so good. And they also have a ranch bag that they sell at Whole Foods. Dollar Tree is doing it for me. Okay, look at Dollar Tree coming through for the 1s and 2s and 3s and 4s. So first up, Dollar Tree has these swimsuit sacks. Now, we had seen this in a prior Dollar Tree haul. These are $5. Absolutely love this. The flamingo, honey, styling and definitely profiling. The orange, honey, who island you on, honey? Mine's is Bora Bora, okay? What about yours? They also have this one that says Summer Vibes. Absolutely love this. And then they also have, oh, there's flamingo again. Now, the cool thing about this is you can put your phone in here and it's touchscreen, okay? Like as you put your phone in touchscreen, compatible pocket. Absolutely love this for $5. Now, we had seen these clogs over here. These are men clogs. So whenever you see the black ones, it says men clogs, but honey, I believe that these are unisex. Okay, they for everyone. They also have the pink and also the white ones. These are all $5. And then they have these cute tote bags over here that are $5 as well. Honey, the flamingo, tell you're gonna be definitely styling and profiling come this summer. Okay, that flamingo bag with your fancy swimsuit sack, child, can't tell you nothing. Have you seen this? Okay, this is the Whitney Houston, okay, sheer mist. Some people was spraying this already, child. I don't know about that. Now, that's $1.25. You know, I don't know about that one, okay? All right. Now, Dollar Tree has some other amazing items like these body rays, these bath bombs over here. And this is watermelon scents. And then they also have, oh, all of them is watermelon. Honey, get into the Elvis socks. Honey, get into these socks. $1.25. Alright, so when I tell you Dollar Tree have bath bombs galore, okay, they have so many bath bombs. All of these are pretty much water scents. They also have the 3 bath bombs, which are $1.25. This is Magnolia and Honey, okay, and then the bath crumbles. I don't know about these. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried these. The soothing bath crumbles, these are $1.25. It's unicorn. And then they also have, oh, what is these? Okay, so Happy Daisy soap sponge. Ooh, I like that. Honey, I like the sound of it. Okay, and of course they have these rose and vanilla bath salts, which is $1.25. And we had seen these, the Color Twist bath bomb. And what about the Bath Treasures bath bomb? This big thing, this is $1.25. I think we seen that in a previous haul. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has that's fairly new is the nighttime hair serum overnight hydration treatment for all hair types. And then they also have the daytime repairing hair mask, smooth and softens, powered by argan oil. Now, I told you guys about argan oil. Oh my goodness. Argan oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, castor oil, all those oils are really, really good. I absolutely love them. Now, Dollar Tree also have this. This is the dry co-wash and root touch-up. I had seen this before. Satin and shea, a hint of color for dark hair shades, $1.25. Now, these combs Dollar Tree has been bringing in, oh my goodness, child, I've been loving it. These are $1.25, and then they also have these fancy McFancy combs over here, the tangling combs. Absolutely love this. But child, get into the hair styling scissors that comes in 3 different colors. They have the white, the blue, and also the black. These bath puffs, oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. Now, these are $1.25. You get 2. They are so, so cute. Honey, it's the colors for me. Dollar Tree also have put a lid on it, child. If you go into people's bathrooms and you blowing it up, and you know you be blowing people's bathrooms up, okay? And maybe you feel a little self-conscious about it, child, get one of these. These are pre-poo toilet sprays. Contains natural essential oils, twisted citrus. Okay, these are $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree has this Yardley London body mist. This is English Rose. And then they also have Summer Breeze. And then they also have English Lavender, $1.25. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have purchased this. And if so, how was it? Who remember these back in the day, the Circuit Peanuts? Honey, I loved these when I was a kid. I totally forgot about these. Honey, let me find out, okay? Dollar Tree got me remembering old childhood memories, okay? Now, have you guys seen this Aspire Healthy Energy Natural Caffeine drink? This is $1.25. And Celsius, let me tell you something about this drink. Honey, I was drinking this drink because it was tasting so good. And then I had seen that people were saying all types of stuff about it. I said, that is my warning. Okay, so I stopped drinking it. But honey, it was so, so good. Now, Dollar Tree, when I seen these, and I'm going to keep on telling you guys this about the Elmhurst dairy-free cashew. Now, these are creamers over here, okay? I want Dollar Tree to bring the milk, okay? Like the cashew Elmhurst milk is so good. Hazelnut one, oh my goodness, it was really, really good. That's when, you know, doing plant-based and stuff like that, vegan. But this brand is more than $1.25. This is a steal deal. Alright, so I'm walking past. I'm like, what is this? Okay, Dollar Tree is now selling pudding and pie filling Snickers. Have you guys seen this? Okay, this is $1.25. Child, honey, I don't know. I don't know when it comes to Dollar Tree. Child. Alright, family, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep on going, keep on growing. Until next time.